President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni awezze okufaafaagana n'abamawulire abo naddala abakolera ekitongole oba ebitongole bya gavumenti omuli Bukedde gattako ne UBC okufulumya amawulire agatali ga bwenkanya oba agatali balanced nga galaga nti opposition yandibanga ate etwala gavumenti naddala mu buwagizi mu bitundu ebyenjawulo. Kino kiddiridde okubeera nga Bukedde TV ezeraga enkungaana za mwami Kyagulanyi nga ziriko abantu bangi nnyo ate za President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ne zibeerako abantu batono. Wano agambye ow'amawulire yenna agamba nti simanya okufulumya ebintu bya NRM basooke muwa ssente ezo kampuni agenda kuziggala zigende zikolere Russia oba China. Agambye nti emirimu gino bisobola okukolerwa mu nsi nnyingi nnyo. Gwagadde agamba nti ogenda kusaba akasimbi osobola okubeera nga broadcastinga amawulire ga NRM n'ebirala. Agambye tagenda kuwa ssente, kampuni agenda kuggala nzigale. Tunaabiwulira.
And even some of the paper, like I hear that even our papers, like Bukedde and our TV, we are showing how some of the opposition groups had defeated the NRM. Showing. Now, I told Nabakova, at least for Bukedde and UBC, they should explain why they give unbalanced information. A journalist is supposed to inform, entertain, educate. A journalist is not supposed to miseducate or misinform. If he does that, he should not be a journalist. And I hear they are even saying that if you don't pay the money, if you don't bribe them, they will not announce your activities. This one we shall not accept. I told those involved that I don't want NRM bribing any journalist. If they don't want to do their work as journalists, they will go and work somewhere else, not in Uganda. The globe is big. You can go and work in Russia. You can go and work in... But here, you must work as a journalist. Journalist, you are duty bound. We don't have to beg you. We don't have to bribe you. You are duty bound to report the truth and verify the truth. If you don't do it, your license should be cancelled so that you don't operate here. Because the government is there to regulate conduct of